Ferrari's just unveiled the 2027 Ferrari Amalfi, and it's not built for racetrack dominance. It's built for la dolce vita. With back seats, beautiful curves, and 631 horsepower under the hood, this car is more coastal cruise than corner apex. But don't get it twisted, it's still a Ferrari. Let's start with the name. Ferrari names like California, Portofino, and Roma all hinted at cars that were meant more for elegance than track warfare. And now? We get the Amalfi, named after one of the most scenic and narrow coastal routes in Europe. This car's all about romance, style, and a little swagger, but don't mistake that for soft. Under that long, elegant hood is a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 with a flat-plane crank that makes 631 horsepower. That's 19 more than the Roma, and good for 0 to 60 in the low 3-second range, and a top speed just shy of 200 miles per hour. Ferrari even lightened the camshafts by nearly 3 pounds to help it rev faster. It's still front-mid engined, still RWD, and still ready to scream. Inside, it's a blend of modern minimalism and driver-first design. One of the biggest headlines? Buttons are back. Ferrari ditched the overly futuristic touch controls after enough clients, that's Ferrari speak for owners, demanded actual tactile buttons. You now get a proper start button, physical toggles, and a cabin that just makes sense. Is it practical? Kinda. There are back seats, not for road trips, but perfect for tossing a bag or maybe a passenger with flexible knees. And you can fit a golf bag in the trunk. Yes, your driver will fit thanks to a special cutout. So it's classy and country club capable. The Amalfi shares its wheelbase with the Roma, but it looks sharper, cleaner, and more futuristic. No grille, no mouth, just sleek, non-anthropomorphic styling inspired by the F80. The spoiler is fully motorized, adjusting through 3 modes and delivering 243 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour. But you can't raise it manually just to flex at valet. Ferrari made sure of that. The base price? Around 240,000 euros or 283,000 US dollars depending on the exchange rate. That puts it up against cars like the Aston Martin Vanquish and the Bentley Continental GT. And while Ferrari hasn't confirmed a convertible, let's be honest, they didn't name it after the peak of Mount Washington, so we're probably getting a drop top. The 2027 Ferrari Amalfi is for the driver who wants power, poise, and a little bit of poetry. It's less about lap times and more about lifestyle, and we are absolutely here for it. Question to viewers. Would you take the Amalfi over an Aston Martin or a Bentley? Or is this too soft to wear the Ferrari badge?